Hey chicas, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it has been a while. I think my last video was in December, but I had to take some time off to get some stuff done. But now I am back. Okay, so as you can see, I have this red wig right here. It's a bob cut wig. The hair is Indian Wavy by Goddess Hair Collection, and the color is Wild Cherry by Adore. Super cute bob. You can see that it has a closure piece, and look at the stitching. She handmade this for me. Stitching is very neat, and you can see that she did bleach the closure, but I went in with some spray. Can't remember the spray, but anyway, you know the spray that you put on your legs for a tan. I went in with that and sprayed it and put it closer to my skin tone, as you can see right here. But I really do love this wig. You will be able to see what it looks like when I put it on my head. So stay tuned and let's get into the makeup look. All right, getting into the makeup. As you can see, yes, welcome back. As you can see, I have my brows already done. I just went ahead and used the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the color 4, and I used the MYOB brow gel. Now I am going in with this concealer. This is the ColourPop concealer in the color medium 30. I was about to put it all over my eyes, but first I want to get this on my face. This is the Versali Skin Blur Primer. I'm just going to put that in my problem areas, the areas that gets the oiliest on me, and that is my T-zone. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend this concealer on my eyelid. I'm going to use that as a base. And then I'm going to go into the Violet Voss Palette and tap into Transition. It's pretty convenient that it's called Transition, being that I'm going to put this in my crease, actually all over my lid. I'm going to use this for all over my lid just to set that concealer. And then the other colors that I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use Transition, Brownie Points, Teddy Bear, and Wine and Dine, all from this palette. So right now I'm going to go into Wine and Dine, and let me warn you right now, this is about to look a mess. You're going to look at this and you're like, ew, what is she doing? That does not look right. But trust the process, okay? I'm going to add the color, just pack it on, just get it on there, and then we're going to do some blending. All right? Okay. Now we're going to go in with Teddy Bear, which is kind of a mix of a brown and a maroon all at the same time. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner just to add a little bit of dimension so it won't look so flat. Now I'm going to take Brownie Points from the palette, and I'm going to put that in my crease, and I use that as my blending shade. And when you see me blend it out, you're going to be like, oh, okay, now I see where she's going with this. Because like I said, it was a mess, but okay. So yeah, I'm just going to take Brownie Points. I'm going to put that in a crease. I'm just going to blend it out.
What you gonna do? We're doing it.
Now that I have that all blended out, I'm going to go in with this MBA Cosmetics pressed glitter in the color Capri. And as you can see, it has bits of all types of colors in this, and it goes perfectly with this pinky red tone that I'm creating on the eye today. It is a very beautiful color, and it just made the eyes pop.
All right, step into the moonlight, get into that good time, believe in the magic.
Now I'm taking my NYC liquid liner in the color Black, And you guys know if you're using glitter on your lids, you need a liner that's not a felt tip. So I decided to use this one because that brush is very smooth and I can pack that liner color on there with no problems.
Maybe you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so. Maybe you got me, believe in the magic.
Alright, so for mascara, I'm going to use this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara. I'm going to put a little bit on my lashes, and then I'm going to go in with the Lily lashes, and I'm guessing this is Gaia? I don't know, but it's spelled Gaia. Oh, maybe this is easy for some, but I've never heard of this. But anyway, so I'm going in with these lashes by Lily Lashes. These are actually some pretty nice lashes.
Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.
Alright, now that we're done with the lashes, let's move on with the face. Finally! So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation today in the color 300. I'm going to use this Morphe brush to blend it in. Going back in with that ColourPop concealer in the color medium 30. I'm just going to put it in my normal spots under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and a little bit in the middle of the forehead. And I'm not going to use a brush or a sponge. I'm going to use my finger because I found it easier to push the concealer into the skin by using my finger, and I feel like it blends better.
On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light. Believe in the magic, and we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me.
Alright, to set the concealer, I'm going to use my Fenty Pro Filter setting powder in the color banana. I'm just going to put that all over the places that I put the concealer.
Maybe you got me. Slow ride.
Okay, so I'm going to take the same colors that I put on my eyes and I'm going to blow it out on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a bit of a larger brush, put a little bit more color on it, and just blend it out so that you can see more of that red shade on the bottom lash line, opposed to it being closer to the lash line. Okay, you guys know I don't do liquid contour, I do powder contour. So I'm going to take my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm just going to contour my face and my nose.
The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. Maybe you got me. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all.
Alright, so for blush and highlight, I'm going to get it out of this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. I think this came in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. May have been last month, I don't know. But anyway, the blush is in the color Sublime and the highlighter is in the color Divine.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all.
I'm gonna set my face with this Urban Decay cherry setting spray. This stuff smells so good. Dang. Okay, so for the lips, I am going to take this lip gloss by Morphe and this lip liner by Profusion. The color of the lip liner is in Cocoa Charm, and this gloss is in the color Froze.
Just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight. Believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light. Believe in the magic, and we can save you from your bed.
Now I'm going back in and putting some Lash Princess mascara on my bottom lashes.
The nails make sense, just dance.
Sticking a little bit of that Divine highlighter in my inner corners. And to finish my brows, I'm going to go in with the Stila brow color in the color Dark. I use this strictly for the beginning parts of my brows to recreate some natural looking hair strokes. And I found this to be very, very, very beneficial as far as making my brows look nice, full, and just looks so good in the beginning of the brows.
Get into that good time, believe in the magic, and it can save you from your bad.
I'm going back over my brows with this MYOB brow gel just to make sure the hairs stay in place. Alright, and that is it for the makeup. I am going to throw my earrings back in, take these clips out of my hair, fluff it a little bit. I didn't take the time to curl it. I think the next time I wear this wig, I am going to throw like some loose beach waves in it, which I think will be very cute with this wig. This wig fit perfectly on my head because she did use my head measurements when she was creating this wig. Yes, adjust. But yeah, I mean, it's very comfortable. It wasn't too tight. It doesn't have an elastic band, which is great, so it didn't give me a headache. So I'm just gonna brush it out, get it looking right, and then I'm gonna serve you a little bit of face. If you guys like this wig or want a wig created, I will leave the information down below in the bottom bar. So thank you again to Goddess Hair Company for providing this wig for me. It is a very beautiful wig, and that color just suits me. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like this wig and this makeup look. And if you are not following me on social media, be sure to go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Anyway, so I am so glad that I am back. And in an upcoming video, I will explain to you why I was gone for so long. But anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.